The universe is already dead. We just haven't finished watching it bleed out. In the silent dark forest of deep space, every move we make announces our exact coordinates to a cold, predatory cosmos. Yesterday morning at precisely 2:35 a.m., humanity fired another blind signal into the void. For metric tons of hollow steel, titanium, and aluminum lithium alloy slammed directly into the sunlit rim of Einstein Crater on the far edge of the moon. Traveling at a terrifying 5,400 miles per hour, the spent second stage of a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket ended its 19-month ghostly drift between Earth and the lunar surface. There was no pilot on board. There was no guidance computer correcting its vector. There was only the cold, unyielding arithmetic of orbital gravity pulling a dead human artifact into a violent terminal descent. When contact occurred, the total kinetic energy released was equivalent to detonating 3 tons of high explosives in a complete vacuum. In less than a fraction of a millisecond, the hollow metallic cylinder vanished into a searing, invisible flare of thermal kinetic energy. A blinding vertical needle of displaced moon dust erupted upward, launching a colossal column of superheated debris 70 miles straight into the black void of space. As massive optical telescopes on Earth locked their high-resolution spectral sensors onto the rising plume, they recorded a terrifying chemical signature. Amidst the natural sodium lines of ancient lunar regolith, bright spectral lines of lithium flashed against the dark sky. It was the synthetic chemical fingerprint of human industrial battery cells burning on a world that has sat pristine and untouched for 4 billion years. We treat the solar system as an infinite, empty ocean, a convenient dumping ground for our discarded technological waste. But on the moon, there is no atmosphere to burn up our orbital failures. There is no wind to sweep away the wreckage or heal the wounds we inflict upon the terrain. Every rocket stage we abandon to gravitational chaos becomes an unguided kinetic missile, leaving permanent structural scars across the surface that will outlast human civilization itself. Even worse, advanced hydrodynamic physics models show that particle ejecta from this single impact scattered high-velocity debris nearly 1,000 kilometers across the surrounding landscape. As we prepare to construct permanent bases and send astronauts back into this vacuum, we are discovering a dark truth. We are actively converting our orbital backyard into a hypervelocity minefield. We are filling the silence of space with kinetic traps, marking our arrival in the universe not with monuments of intelligence, but with craters of our own abandoned trash. In a dark forest, the loudest noise is always made by the prey, and humanity is screaming into the dark. If you want to survive what comes next in the deep void, subscribe now and follow Cosmic Horizon for more unvarnished truth.